Early morning students. Today we are going to solve exercise 7.3. Here we will apply formula of area of triangle. The formula of area of triangle is half x1 bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 bracket y1 minus y2. See, it is easy to remember this formula. How? Half, just write x1 bracket, x2 bracket, x3 bracket. Okay, so total 3 number we have, already 1 written. So after 1 which 2 numbers are there, 2 and 3, so y2 minus y3. We are having only 3 number, 1 2 3. Now 2 is written, so which number left, 3 and 1. After 2 which number comes, 3, so it will be y3 minus y1. Now here 3 is written, so which number left, 1 and 2, so it will be x1 minus x2 in this way. Sorry, y1 minus y2. So after 1 2 3, after 2 3 1, and after 3 1 2. Say this formula is much easy to apply. Let us apply. Here it is. So here it is x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. So this area of triangle will be according to formula half x1 after 1 2 3 plus x2 after 2 3 1 plus x3 after 3 1 2. Okay. Now substitute. x1 is minus 5 y2 minus 5 minus y3 2 plus x2 3 y3 2 minus y1 minus 1 plus x3 5 y1 minus 1 minus y2 minus 5. Okay, now solve. Half minus 5 multiply minus minus plus 5 plus 2 7 greater number 5, so it's sign 3 into 2 minus minus plus 1 plus 5 into minus 1 minus minus plus 5. Let us solve. Half 5 7s are 35 minus minus plus 3 into 2 plus 1 3 5 into minus plus minus 5 minus 1 4. So here we will have 35 plus 3 3s are 9 plus 5 4s are 20 is equal to half. If I add this both, all three, then 35 and 20, 55, 55, 55 and 9 will be 64. So this is the modulus. It is modulus. If inside this modulus we are getting negative number na, then after leaving modulus it become positive. Suppose we are having in this way minus 10 suppose. If I remove modulus over here, it will become plus 10 and our answer will become 5. But number is already positive, so it will remain as it is. So half into 64. 2 32s are 64, so our answer is 32 square unit. Okay. So this question number first is your homework. It is easy to solve. Okay, go through it. Let us solve question number second. Question first is over. Now question number second. Here it is. In each of the following, find the value of k. Find value of k. Here it is. For which the points are collinear. For which the points are collinear. See, whenever 3 points of a triangle are collinear, then their area will be 0. If area of 3 collinear point is 0, because 3 collinear point cannot form triangle, so obviously the area will be 0. So here we have number first, where we suppose 7 minus 2 as A, B as 5-1, C as 3K. Okay, so it will be x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Let us solve. So area of triangle, formula half x1, if I write 1 then I will have 2 and 3, है ना, x y2 minus y3. If I write x2, after 2 3 1. If I write x3, then after 3 1 2. So first of all area of triangle 0, है ना, so half x1 here x1 is 7, half. See, area of 3 collinear point is always 0, so here it will be 0. x1 7 into y2, y2 is 1 minus y3. What is y3? K plus x2 is 5 into y3, k minus y1 minus 2 plus x3, 3 y1 minus 2 minus y2 is 1. Okay, simplify. When 2 shift towards 0, it will be 0. So multiply 7 with, but before that let us simplify. Minus minus plus 2 plus 3 minus 2 minus 1. So it will be 0. 7 ones are 7 into minus 7k, 5k plus 10, 3 into minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Simplify. It will be 7 minus 7k plus 5k plus 10 plus minus minus 3 is 9. Now write all the constant together and variable k together. 7 plus 10 minus k and minus 7k plus 5k. So it will be 10 plus 7 17, 17 minus 9 8, minus plus minus 7 minus 5 2k greater number साइन. रिमूव मॉड्यूलस. देखो मॉड्यूलस में सिंगल टर्म है तो वो पॉजिटिव हो जाती है, लेकिन बाइनोमियल है तो कोई चेंज करने का नहीं. इट विल रिमेन एज इट इज. नाउ शिफ्ट 2k towards left hand side, we'll get 8. K will be 8 divided by 2, that is K will be 4, which is our answer. Go through it. Let us solve this one. So it will be x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Okay. So area or triangle formula, half modulus x1. After 1 which number we have? 2 3. So y2 minus y3 plus x2. After 2 3 1, तो y3 minus y1, x3 after 3 1 2, so y1 minus y2 modulus over. Area of triangle will be 0 because points are collinear. Half into x1 8 bracket y2 minus 4 minus y3 minus 5 plus x2 k y3 minus 5 minus y1 1 plus x3 2 y1 1 minus y2 minus 4. Okay, when 2 shift it will be 0. We'll have 8 minus 4 minus minus plus 5 plus k minus minus plus 5 plus 1 6 greater number sine plus 2 1 minus minus plus 4. So 8 into minus plus minus 5 minus 4 1 greater is 5, so it will be positive. K into minus 6 2 into 1 plus 4 5. So here we will have 8 ones are 8 plus minus minus 6 into k 6k plus 5 2s are 10. Simplify. So 0 8 plus 10 18 minus 6k. Remove this modulus. So we'll have 18 minus 6k. Shift 6k. 6k will be 18. K will be 18 divided by 6. 3s are. K equals to 3 unit. So this is our answer. Go through it. Clear? Let us solve next one, question number 3. Find area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoint of the side of the triangle whose vertices are 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. Look, see, the question is find area of triangle formed by joining midpoint of side of triangle. यानी ये ट्राइंगल की जो साइड है उसके मिड पॉइंट से जो ट्राइंगल बन रहा है. सपोज ए बी का मिड पॉइंट है P, बी सी का Q और ए सी का R. ठीक है. फाइंड एरिया फॉर्म बाय जॉइनिंग मिड पॉइंट ऑफ साइड ऑफ ट्राइंगल whose vertices are 0, -1. A will be 0, -1, B 2, 1 and C 0, 3. The question is what? Find area of triangle formed by joining midpoint of the side of triangle. यानी ट्राइंगल की साइड के मिड पॉइंट से बनने वाला जो ट्राइंगल है, ये मैंने ट्राइंगल लिया तो उसकी साइड के मिड पॉइंट से कौन सा ट्राइंगल बना? PQR. तो PQR का एरिया हमें फाइंड करना है. ठीक है, PQR के एरिया हमें फाइंड करना है. सो लेट अस फाइंड आउट एरिया ऑफ PQR. बट बिफोर फाइंडिंग आउट एरिया ऑफ PQR वी शुड हैव कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ PQR, है ना. तो फर्स्ट वी राइट लेट इन ट्राइंगल ABC PQR are midpoints of sides AB, BC and AC respectively. So first of all we'll find a coordinate of P, but P is the midpoint of AB. So P is midpoint of AB, है ना. A 0, -1, B 2, 1, x1 y1 x2 y2. We know the midpoint formula. As I told you कि whatever point coordinate we want, now from that the formula will start. P find करना है जो AB का मिड पॉइंट है, तो P से हमारा फॉर्मूला स्टार्ट होगा. Pxy. What is the formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. यानी x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So here x1 0 plus x2 2 by 2, y1 -1 plus y2 1 by 2. So we'll have coordinate of P 2 by 2 1, -1 plus 1 0 by 2 0. Say 2 by 2 2 2 2 ones are 2, -1 plus 1 0, 0 by 2 0. Now same way Q is midpoint of BC. Q is midpoint of BC. So here B is 2 1, C 0 3. So x1 y1 x2 y2. Now which one is the midpoint? Q. The formula will start from QXY. The formula is x1 plus x2 by 2. So x1 2 plus x2 0 by 2, y1 1 plus y2 3 by 2. So here we'll have 2 plus 0 2 by 2, 1 plus 3 4 by 2. The 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So coordinate of Q R 1, 2. Same way, R is the midpoint of AC. Here A 0 minus 1, C 0 3, x1 y1, x2 y2. So coordinate of R xy, Rxy will be x1 plus x2 by 2, okay, y1 plus y2 is 3 by 2, 0 plus 0, 0 by 2, 0, minus plus minus, 3 minus 1, 2 by 2. So we'll have Rxy equal to 0, 1 because 2 ones are 2. So now we are having coordinate of P, Q and R. The question is what? Okay, find area. Find area of triangle formed by joining midpoint of the side of triangle. ये ट्राइंगल एबीसी के मिड पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करने से जो ट्राइंगल बन रहा है यानी PQR, उसका हमें उसका एरिया फाइंड करना है. तो सिंपल विल अप्लाई फॉर्मूला ऑफ एरिया. सो हियर वी हैव P 10. ठीक है, चलो अभी हमारे पास उतनी स्पेस नहीं है. जस्ट गो थ्रू दिस कि हमने मिड पॉइंट कैसे फाइंड किए, फिर आगे सॉल्व करेंगे. Clear up to this? So here we have coordinate of P, (10), Q 12 and R and R 0, 1. Okay. So x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Let us find out area of triangle PQR. Formula half x1 after 1, 2, 3. x2 after 2, 3, 1. x3 after 3, 1, 2. Okay, substitute. Half x1 1, y2 2 minus y3 1 plus x2 1 y3 1 minus y1 0 plus x3 0 into y1 0 minus y2 2. So it will be half 1 into 2 minus 1 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 0 1. If I multiply any with 0, it will become 0. So we will have half 1 1s are 1 plus 1 1s are 1 plus 0. So area of triangle P QR is equals to half into 1 plus 1 2. That means 1 square unit. Okay, read further. First, it is written कि find area of triangle which is formed by midpoint of the side of the triangle. Then it is asked find ratio of this area, यानी this area to area of given triangle. Given triangle is ABC. Now area of given triangle ABC. So again we'll apply formula over here. A0 minus 1, B 2 1, C 0 3, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Apply formula of area. Area of triangle ABC. Half x1 after 1, 2, 3 plus x2 after 2, 3, 1 plus x3 after 3, 1 and 2. Substitute. Half x1 is 0, y2 1 minus y3 3 plus x2 2 into y3 3 minus y1 minus 1 plus x3 0 y1 minus 1 minus y2 1. Okay, now it will be half. If we multiply any with 0, it becomes 0 plus 2 minus minus plus 3 plus 1 4 plus 0 into 0. See once again, if I multiply 0 with 1 minus, it will be 0 only. तो add subtract करने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. Plus as it is 2, 3 minus minus plus 3 plus 1 4 plus 0 को multiply करूंगा तो 0. So here it will be half 2 4s are 8. So area of triangle ABC is 4 square unit. The question is find ratio of this area. This area मतलब PQR to the area of given triangle, that means ABC. Ratio is equal to area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle PQR is 1. Area of triangle ABC is 4. So here we have ratio 1:4. Final answer. Clear? Go through it. Question number 4 is find area of the quadrilateral whose vertices are taken in order are 4 minus 2, minus 3 minus 5, 3 minus 2 and 3. Question number 4 is find area of the quadrilateral whose vertices are taken in order are minus 4 minus 2, minus 3 minus 5, 3 minus 2 and 2 3. Okay. So here it is not mentioned which kind of quadrilateral it is. So we'll draw irregular quadrilateral. Any kind of quadrilateral you can draw. So let us denote point to each coordinate. Suppose this coordinate is -4, -2. This point, this coordinate -a, -5 will be the coordinate of point B. 3, -2 of C and 2, 3 of D. Since here it is not mentioned which kind of quadrilateral, so it is difficult to apply formula of area, because we know very well that area of parallelogram base into height, rhombus half into product of diagonal, rectangle length into breadth, square length into length. But here it is not mentioned which kind of quadrilateral it is. So here we have to think in different way. See, here we are talking about the area, है ना? Area. So just think about, can you form triangle in this quadrilateral? If you are able to form triangle, then we can find out area of the triangle. For that formula we are having, है ना? See, if I draw the diagonal, then here we can see two triangles, ABC, ADC. If I find out area of ABC, I will get this whole part. If I find out area of ADC, I will get whole part. If I add this both, I will get area of the quadrilateral. That means we'll find out area of this both triangle. So first we'll find out area of triangle ABC, where A -4, -2, B -3, -5, C 3, -2. So here it is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay. We know the formula of area. Half under modulus. X1, after 1 we have number 2, 3. So y2 minus y3 plus x2. After 2 we have number 3, 1. So y3 minus y1 plus x3. After 3 we have number 1, 2. So y1 minus y2. Let us substitute values. Okay. All the values we are having over here, which are half. X1 is -4 into y2 -5 minus y3 -2 plus x2 -3 y3 -2 minus y1 -2 plus x3 3 y1 -2 minus y2 -5. So here we'll have half -4 inside bracket -5 minus +2 plus -3 inside bracket -2 +2 minus +2 plus 3 inside bracket -2 minus plus 5. Let us simplify. Here we'll have 1/2 -4 into minus plus minus 5 minus 2 3 greater is 5, so it's sign plus -3 minus plus minus 2 minus 2 0 plus 3 minus plus minus 5 minus 2 3. So let us multiply. Half minus plus 4 3s are 12. Now minus into 0 0, 3 3s are 9. So here we'll have area of triangle ABC, 12 plus 9 21. 21 into 1, 21 by 2. This is area of triangle ABC. Now we'll find out area of triangle ADC, where A is -4 -2, D 2 3, and C 3 - 2. So here it is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Apply formula. Area of triangle ADC half x1 after 1 2 3 plus x2 after 2 3 1, x3 after 3 1 2. Okay, so here it will be half x1 -4, y2 3 minus y3 -2 plus x2 2, y3 -2 minus y1 -2 plus x3 3, y1 -2 minus y2 3. Okay, so here we'll have -4, see, minus plus 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, minus plus, so -2 plus 2 0, -2 minus plus na, -2 plus 2 0, plus 3 into -2 minus 3 -5. So here we'll have 4 5s are 20, 2 zeros are 0, 3 into -5 -15. Okay, so here we'll have minus plus -35. So if I leave the modulus, we know very well, whenever we leave the modulus, negative number become positive. So -35 will become +35 because area can never be negative. Okay. So area of triangle ABC 21 by 2, area of triangle ADC 35 by 2. So area of quadrilateral ABCD, area of this whole quadrilateral ABCD will be area of triangle ABC, which is 21 by 2, plus area of triangle ADC, which is 35 by 2. So denominators are same, so I can add the numerators. 5 plus 1 6, 3 plus 2 5 divided by 2, 56 divided by 2, 28 square unit, which is our answer. Go through it. Clear? Now we'll solve question number 5. Read from the textbook. You have studied in class 9, chapter 9, that a median of a triangle divide it into two triangles of equal areas. Verify the result for triangle ABC whose vertices are A, B, C. A 4 minus 6, B 3 minus 2, C 5 2. AD is a median. See, next time we have studied कि median divide triangle into two triangle of equal area. यानी AD is a median. So here we want to prove कि AD divide triangle ABC into two triangle of equal area. We want to prove area of triangle ABD equal to area of triangle ADC. To prove area of triangle ABD is equals to area of triangle ADC. But before that, we'll find out coordinate of D. So D is midpoint of BC. So coordinate of D will be, we know very well formula of midpoint x1 plus x2 by 2. So x1 will be 3 plus x2 5 by 2, y1 minus 2 plus y2 by 2. So 3 plus 5, 8 by 2, 0 by 2. So it will be 4 0. Now first we'll find out area of triangle ABD, then area of triangle ADC. Area of triangle ABD. Okay. So A 4 minus 6, B 3 minus 2, D 4 0, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. x1 is 4, y2 minus 2 minus y3 0 plus x2 3 y3 0 minus y1 minus 6 plus x3 4 y1 minus 6 minus y2 minus 2. It will be half. 4 minus 2 minus 0 minus 2. 3 minus minus plus 0 plus 6 will be 6 plus 4. See, minus minus plus. So minus 6 plus 2. Minus 6 plus 2. It will be minus 4. So here we'll have 4 into minus 2 minus 8 plus 18 minus 16. Minus 8 minus 16 minus 24 plus 18. So it will be 1/2 minus 6. So it equal to half into 6 equals to 3 square unit. So area of triangle ABD is equals to 3 square unit, number 1. Now we'll find out area of this another triangle ADC. A 4 minus 6 D, 4 0 C, 5 2, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So area of triangle ADC, same formula of area. y2 minus y3 plus x2, 4 y3 minus y1 plus x3 is 4, 0 minus 2 minus 2, minus minus plus 6 plus 2 8, plus 5 minus 6 minus 0 minus 6. So it will be half. 4 into minus 2 minus 8, 32 minus 30. So half, minus 8 minus 30 minus 38 plus 32. So now we'll have half minus 6. So equal to half into 6 equals to 3. So area of triangle ADC equals to 3 square unit. Equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, it is proved that area of triangle ABD equals to area of triangle ADC. We have proved that median divide triangle into two triangle of equal area. Go through it. Let us end this lecture. Bye. Have a safe day.